Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
The Guru Sukadeva Goswami has examined Parikshit Maharaj, and it appears that the king has passed one phase of examination by rejecting the process of atonement. This is intelligent. Immediately said, Guru, what is this? He has rejected. Rejecting the process of atonement because it involves fruitive activities. Karma. Karma, I have committed some sinful activity, then another karma to punish me. So here it is said, by one karma cannot be nullified by another karma. Karma means activity. They are going on, passing resolution after resolution and laws after laws. But things are in the same position. They are not changing. Therefore, it cannot be checked in that way. Karmana karmani rahara. Now, Sukadeva Goswami is suggesting the platform of speculative knowledge. When it has failed that a thief repeatedly committing criminal activities, repeatedly he is being punished, but he is not corrected, then what is the remedy? That is vimarasana, speculative knowledge. Progressing from karmakanda to jnanakanda, he is proposing prayashchitam vimarasanam. Real atonement is full knowledge. One should be given knowledge. Unless one comes to the knowledge, so modern education, there is no real knowledge. Real knowledge begins in the Bhagavad-gita. Those who have read Bhagavad-gita, the first understanding Arjuna was given lesson. When he was perplexed and he became a disciple of Krishna, Shishastri ham prasadimang prapannam. Krishna, let us stop this friendly talking. Let us stop this friendly talking. Now I agree to become your disciple. Now you teach me. So the first teaching was chastisement. Asacchananusutastam pragyavana sabhasas. You have no knowledge. Gatasam avatasam sananasuchanti pandita. You are talking like a pandit, but you are not pandit. He indirectly says you are a fool. Because nanasuchanti, this kind of thinking is not maintained by learned scholars. That means you are not a learned man. That is going on at the present moment. Everyone is thinking that he is very highly elevated learner, but he is fool number one. That is going on. Because there is no standard knowledge. Sanatana Goswami also, when he approached Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also said the same thing. He was in his sense. He was Prime Minister. He was very learned scholar in Sanskrit and Urdu. In those days, Urdu, because it was Mohammedan government. But he thought it wise that they call me learned scholar, but what kind of scholar? He put this question before Chaitanya. Gramya ব্যবহারে কহরে পণ্ডিত সত্য করি মানি আপনার হিতাহিত কিছু নাহি জানি. My dear Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this common man, they say that I am MA, PhD, DSc and so on and so on. I am very learned scholar, but I am so big scholar that I do not know what I am and what is my aim of life. Just see, ask any so-called scholar, now what is the aim of life? He cannot say. The aim of life is the same, like the dog. Eat, drink, be merry and enjoy and die. That's it. So where is education? There is no education. Real education is different, that one must know his own position and act accordingly.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.